Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining the show. I'm here on the Cannondale Venture 2. And yeah, I'm riding along. Got both hands on the handlebar this time. And I got my double clamp system with the Velcro strap doing a nice job. So now can you call this a talking head video? We're heading towards the bay, towards the beach. Gonna have a little chat. Doesn't look like a nice day. It is. Just like I said, the sun comes up a little later, gets dark a little earlier. I want to let you all know that in the DJI world, somebody slipped and they said, stay tuned. You're going to see a debut, but we don't offer any dates. Yep, and that's the DJI Osmo Action 5. It's coming. It's a nice slack tide, high tide it is. So we're heading on out, getting towards where we need to be at. I'm gonna make this turn. Woohoo! And relax down the hill. As you can see, the sun is rised just above the tree line. See that building? As I keep riding, it'll be right on that side of the building. There it is, where that crane is at. Oh man, you can stare into that bed, boy, all you want. Loosen up the thumb bolt just a little bit so you're able to move. That camera just goes like this by the vibration of revolution. I'm not taking my camera off that mount because I love it so much. But you know what that is? That's a horseshoe crab. They are a delicacy. Oh man, you can eat them. And they taste delicious. We'll go down to the end, almost to the end, near the end. We'll turn on the dead end street and head to the beach. How could you turn onto a dead end street and go to the beach, Fish? Oh, there's secrets. Oh, we're gonna turn here instead. This is where we would go. And we're gonna turn again and go down to the end. Just see that cat look at the camera. Oh, what a beautiful day down at the beach. You can feel the cool air. But the visibility is not that great of a distance. I don't see a shit. I see a boat. I see seagulls flying. We'll head on out. Continue to have our fun. She gave up. I didn't want to put the camera on. Trying to catch the duck. It's a Canadian goose, that is. He was following her, and she decided to try to take him home. Oh, you think I'm kidding you? That's why she's got a towel, and that's why she's going after him again. There's the towel. She's setting up. Now she's attempting to throw the towel. She gave up. Let's get on out of here. I've seen it all. Ooh, see that rat? See that rat? That rat's right there. Going in too. You got it. Woohoo, man. You want to join the Rat Pack program? I seen it all today, man. Like I said, I could pull up a chair, sit down, and leave that channel going. Well, this was a peaceful bike ride. It sure was. It was in the quiet lands. You hear it? That's getting back to the noisy land. Oh, my little dip in the road to go down. I know we all love angles, different places we put our camera and movement. How did you like the bike ride with the clamp on the bike? Change some of the angles, go for a nice ride, make a nice turn. Yes, indeed. I hope you enjoyed what I told you and all that good stuff. It's time for me to check on some notes, get a cup of joe, and enjoy my day to get started. I gotta take care of 2 awesome videos, man. They need to be corrected. Oh, what love and what fun. I got one I'm working on and one I gotta complete. Oh yeah. I'm Fish and I'm wrapping this up. Don't forget to rate, comment, show some love. Have a good one. No outro. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Yes, indeed. Have a great day. See you later.